In work package 6, we analyze the impacts of different food consumption patterns comprehensively. So we look at the environment, like climate change and biodiversity. We look at social impacts, for example, child labor impacts or working conditions. We look at the healthiness of diets. Is nutrient provision adequate, or are certain health risks taken by certain dietary patterns? We also look at animal welfare. And finally, last but not least, we also look at the cost of the different diets. And for this, we map the flows of food across Europe and also the imports into Europe, and also define typical dietary patterns for different countries. We provide very comprehensive and detailed information about the different impacts of different diets on sustainability. And this information is crucial for different decision makers to make better decisions in order to improve sustainability of the food systems. These are, of course, the consumers, but on the other hand, also policymakers and also retailers are very crucial for sustainable consumption. How to balance environmental, social, and economic consequences of different dietary patterns is important because all consumers have different preferences. Some emphasize the environmental impacts, for some social impacts are more of a priority. Other people, for ethical reasons, they prioritize animal welfare as an impact, and some also need to monitor their costs very much because their budget is limited. So the goal of our work is to model and to define diets which satisfy both environmental concerns, social issues, and health issues, economic issues, all those different aspects of a sustainable diet, with least trade-offs between them.